Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to interlink pages on Wix website. For example, I'm on my Wix homepage, and let's say I would like to link paragraph or this text, better yet, to another page. All you'll need to do is decide the section or the text that you would like to link back to another page. So I'll tap on Edit Text, and I'm just going to be selecting the paragraph right here, the paragraph text. Then I'll tap on the link icon. After you have done that, you're going to select page, then you can choose the page. So for example, let's say I would like to link it back to my contact page. I could select contact, then tap on done. And that's how easy it is to interlink pages on your Wix website. You can select any section, any image that you would like to interlink. So I could select this image and then I could tap on the link option. Then I can choose a page of my website that I would like to link it to, then tap on done. So if someone were to visit my website and tap on that picture, they would be redirected to a page on my website. For example, as you can see right here, if they tap on that, they'll be redirected to this page. Hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.